In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy craft for spring. I think some other ideas I'm going to try with this type of craft, maybe do for Halloween, put a white base coat, a black top coat, and sand it down, and then spell the word Halloween with the little blocks. I think that would be really cute. Or for 4th of July, have a white base coat and a red top coat and blue letters that say USA. Use the blocks to spell out the word Christmas, and have a white base coat and red and green top coats. And here you want to just go really light with the 100 grit sandpaper just to expose the base coat underneath. Some more ideas. You could possibly make all yellow ones for Easter, or make red and pink ones for Valentine's Day, or you could paint them the color scheme of your nursery and spell out your kid's name. But if you do that, I recommend gluing them together. Here I thought I'd make it a little easier on myself, and I wrapped sandpaper around a leftover piece of wood that I had. Makes it a lot easier. And you can get as fancy as you want with the letters. I even added a little flower right here. I thought that made it look really cute, but I did this really quickly. But normally I like to take my time. I'll show you here in just a second another set I did for a friend.